Hi there, students. You all know the colour red. But what about vermilion, scarlet or crimson? These are three good words for red that you could easily include in your exam essays. Let's see. Vermilion. It's a slightly orangish red, an orangey red colour, but it's a bright red colour. Scarlet. His scarlet cheeks. Yeah, he went scarlet with embarrassment. Scarlet, another very bright orange red, a very intense red. The scarlet berries tasted absolutely delicious. Crimson. Okay, crimson. A deep red colour, maybe with a touch of blue in it. Yeah? He went crimson with embarrassment. Let's see, with these colours, I feel that there are associations. To me, vermilion, I have an association of a beautiful summer sunset, and the whole sky goes this vermilion colour. Scarlet, we use this word to indicate that something is immoral. Yeah, a scarlet woman. Scarlet, sinful and immoral, particularly for somebody who has sex outside of marriage. Yeah, it makes me think of the Scarlet Letter as well, the short story. And then the word crimson. To me, crimson gives an idea of embarrassment. He went crimson when he went crimson from embarrassment. Okay, but these are all really good words. How about some more red words? Cerise. Cerise. This is like a cherry red, the colour of cherries. Or ruby. Yeah, a ruby red. Or carmine as well, carmine or carmine. Yeah, these are more red colours. So these are easy words to learn. You know what they mean. They all mean red, but they're all different tones of red. Okay, so vermilion. Let's look at the origins of these words, because I quite like the origins. They're good. Vermilion comes from French vermeil, which itself comes from Latin, from vermis, meaning a worm. And the reference to this is to make the colour crimson, they used to use a little worm. Yeah, to make the red dyes, and that's why it's called vermilion. Now, the origin of the word scarlet I like as well, coming from Persian, perhaps. Saquelat, a warm type of woolen cloth, or maybe from Arabic, sikilat, meaning very expensive luxury red dyed silks. I'd be interested to hear your ideas of these. And then crimson, from the Arabic word kirmiz, which itself comes from Persian, kirmist. Okay, so this word kirmiz is a colour of crimson, scarlet or vermilion. Okay, so just try and remember these words and use them in your essays. I'm trying to think of formality for these. I guess I'm going to give them a 5 in formality, and you could use them absolutely anywhere. although they do sound a bit artistic, but that's why I'm suggesting these words to you. They're great words for you to use. Okay, so no longer he went red, he went crimson, he went scarlet, he went vermilion. Yeah, after running up the stairs, his face was covered with sweat and a bright vermilion color. Yeah, she wore a scarlet jacket. Yeah, he wore a crimson hat. Yeah, use these words in your essays. They're easy to use, you know what they mean, and they're going to make you look really good. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Vermilion, Scarlet, Crimson.